Looking for a local plumber? Searching for a plumbing service you can trust to get the job done right? If so, here are some tips to help you choose the right company. There are a lot of plumbing services to choose from locally, and one of the first things you should do is ask family and friends local to you if they can recommend anybody. Referrals can be the best way to find a trusted service quickly. If this isn't a possibility for you, then using the internet to do your research is the next step. Most plumbing firms will have a web presence. Here you can find out more about a company, the different services they are qualified to carry out, and ultimately, how long they have been established in your local area. A longer established plumbing service can be a good indication of continued high-quality work locally. When approaching and inquiring with a plumbing service you like the look of, be sure to ask about call-out charges, experience in the job you're looking to have done, and ultimately where they are based too if this information is not available online. This will hopefully help you find a plumbing service you can trust and rely on. If you are looking for a highly qualified local plumber that you can trust to get the job done right the first time, we can help. Give us a call today to discuss your needs and problems, or alternatively, check out our website for all the information you need on us and what we can do for you.